In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Epson EcoTank printing on your glossy paper the wrong way. So if the ink is smearing, you see over here, the ink is definitely not penetrating the paper, so it stays on the surface. Or if you have other issues, I'll show you two different things that you can do to fix this problem. This way, you'll be able to print your picture in a nice way and the ink will not smear at all. So this happens for many different reasons, but I'll show you two of them that are the most common. So the first one is that you're trying to print on glossy paper that is not meant for inkjet printers. I have this Canon selfie printer that comes, and I even bought glossy paper for it. Unfortunately, when I tried to print on my EcoTank, it didn't work because the paper is not meant for inkjet. This is another technology. So you need to make sure when you buy it from Amazon or whatever other places that it says inkjet glossy paper, photo paper. I'll put links in the description if you want to get some. Now, the other error that many people do is they do not set their printer to print on glossy paper. If you select plain paper, or if you do not select anything, your printer will think you're printing on plain paper. Therefore, the way it will print will not be compatible with your glossy paper. So what you need to do over here on the screen is to select settings, press OK. Select the right side arrow here until you go under printer setup. Press OK. Then select paper source setting, press OK. Paper settings, press OK once again. And now go on the right side here and select paper type. Press OK. Then you need to make sure that glossy is selected. There's many other types of glossy, but I found that my best results are simply by selecting glossy. So go ahead, press OK. And now you can exit this menu. When you're trying to print using your phone, you need to press over here where it says 4x6, the size of your paper, press once. And you'll have many options. Make sure that under media type, tap on it, glossy is also selected, photo paper glossy. Both of these needs to be glossy to make sure that the printer knows that you're not trying to print on plain paper. So these were the two things that you need to check before printing on glossy paper, and it's probably one of the causes why your print is not coming out properly. So these were the two things you need to check to avoid getting prints on your glossy paper that looks like this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.